Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, where we explore the richness of the English language, one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Our word of the day is amateur, an adjective often used to describe someone or something that is not professional or skilled. Let's dive into what makes this word so interesting and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. When we say amateur, we mean someone who participates in an activity for pleasure rather than as a job or profession, and often they may lack the skills or expertise of a professional. For example, the painting was beautiful, but it had an amateur touch that made it unique. It's a word that can be used to describe enthusiasm without the polish of professional training, like in the sentence, "The amateur chef made a decent attempt at a gourmet meal." Now, let's look at some synonyms. Words like novice, beginner, dabbler, or non-professional carry similar meanings. For instance, you might say, "The novice writer has a lot of potential," or "He's just a dabbler in photography and prefers to keep it as a hobby." Each of these terms captures the idea of someone not being highly skilled but still engaging in the activity. On the flip side, the antonyms of amateur include words like professional, expert, and skilled. For example, the professional athlete delivered an incredible performance, or her cooking skills are so expert that people assume she's a chef. These words highlight a level of proficiency and training that sets someone apart from an amateur. So, how does amateur fit into everyday life? You might use it to describe hobbies, interests, or any task done by someone who isn't a professional. For instance, "I enjoy singing, but I'm just an amateur," or "The amateur photographer managed to capture a stunning sunset." Here are a few more examples of amateur in sentences. "The amateur musician impressed everyone with her heartfelt performance despite some technical flaws." Although he's an amateur, his passion for gardening shines through in his beautiful yard. The tournament welcomed both amateur and professional players, creating an exciting mix of talent. To wrap things up, amateur is an adjective that reminds us it's okay not to be perfect at everything. It celebrates the joy of participating in something purely for the love of it, without the pressure of being a pro. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Why not try using amateur in a sentence and share it in the comments? Until next time, keep exploring words and expanding your English. Bye for now.